Shane. I look rather warm. Like, that's the time of night. Hey, it's your birthday, and I promised you a song. So, you want some which song? So, okay. Just one figure. Okay, right. Seriously though, happy birthday to you. This is your day. I'm just safe for you. Gonna love you every way. This is your day, your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. You're so short. On this day I